everyone, you're welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. Today I'll be taking us on how to sew this kimono dress. It can be worn in two ways, either as a shirt dress or as a jacket. So in this tutorial, I'll be using 2 yards of Ankara fabric. You might be needing more than that, let's say like 2.5 or 3 yards of fabric, depending on your size. Also, I'll be adding this lace, to touch it up, and I'll be using 3 yards of lace fabric. I have it at the edge of my sleeve and also the base of the flare. In our next tutorial, I'll be showing us how to use Emmy gum on our dress so that we can have a neat finish instead of you sewing or having to go through the stress of using your needle and thread. So these are what we'll be doing today. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is to join the princess dart, after which I'll turn the neck with the facing. I'm going to join notch and then top stitch on the facing to turn inside. The next thing I'm going to do from here is to join the shoulder. Then I'll bring out the shape from the side. Lọ́mọ wá bóyá kò cut. To bring out the measurement, we're going to divide our circumference measurement by 2. The first is the bust measurement, and that is 34 inches divided by 2 is 17. And the under bust circumference measurement is 28 inches divided by 2 is 14 inches. So whatever inches we have left, we're going to share on both sides. So on the bust, I have 1 inch excess. So I'm going to share half inch and half inch on both sides. And also on the under bust circumference, I have 1 inch excess. I'm also going to share half inch and half inch on the other side. So the next thing is to attach the flame to the arm length. What we have left is to fold in the base of the flame before attaching the neck. Then we'll also attach the sleeve to the armhole. So first, let's fold the base of the flame. Next is to join the sleeve, and to do that, I'm going to first attach it to the flame. After that, I'll close the base, attach my neck, and bring out the round sleeve measurement. I guess that's the end of our story. So, we've come to the end. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also, click on the bell so as to get notifications for all our upcoming tutorials. I still remain Simeon Grace. Don't forget you can follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Afriq TV. You can also follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. And you can leave your comments in the comment box below. Till I see you next class. Bye.